It's a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. The comfort, technology, and premium features built into this Grand Caravan make every trip feel like a vacation. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. External memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, 3 12-volt power outlets, power adjustable pedals, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and multi-speed automatic transmission. New car test drive rights, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.